This is why you need to visit these iconic buildings. You won't believe your eyes. From the ancient pyramids of Giza to the majestic Great Wall of China, marvel at the beauty of the Taj Mahal, the grandeur of the Colosseum, and the splendor of the Alhambra. Your next adventure awaits.
The pyramids of Giza, also known as the Giza Necropolis, are ancient Egyptian pyramids located on the Giza Plateau, just outside Cairo, Egypt. The design style of these pyramids is ancient Egyptian architecture. They reflect the religious beliefs of ancient Egypt, emphasizing the importance of the afterlife, and served as tombs for pharaohs. These pyramids were built during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom, around 2600 to 2500 BC. The most famous pyramid, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, is attributed to the architect Hemiunu. Other major pyramids include the Pyramid of Khafra and the Pyramid of Menkaure. These pyramids served as monumental tombs for pharaohs. They are among the most iconic symbols of ancient Egypt and one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. They highlight the advanced engineering skills of the ancient Egyptians. The primary materials used in the construction of the pyramids were limestone and granite. The outer casing was once smooth, white limestone. The pyramids are perfectly aligned with the cardinal points. The Great Pyramid stands at approximately 146 meters tall. It has a square base with each side about 230 meters long. The Great Pyramid was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,000 years. The pyramids symbolize the pharaoh's divine authority and their journey to eternal life. They were aligned with Orion's belt, associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. Inside, chambers contain carvings, hieroglyphs, and burial goods for the afterlife. Much of the interior art has been lost to time or tomb robbers. The pyramids of Giza are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are open to the public. Tourists can explore the area, and some pyramids offer access to inner chambers. The nearby Great Sphinx is another iconic landmark. Visitors can tour the interior chambers and visit the Solar Boat Museum. The pyramids have undergone preservation efforts to protect them from environmental damage and tourism-related wear. Concerns have been raised about the impact of nearby urban development on the site. Debates exist about how the pyramids were constructed, from simple ramps to complex pulley systems. Mainstream Egyptology supports traditional explanations, but alternative theories occasionally surface. The Great Pyramid of Khufu is the only surviving wonder of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The pyramids of Giza have appeared in countless films and books, symbolizing the grandeur of ancient Egypt. Originally, the Great Pyramid was covered with polished white Tura limestone, reflecting sunlight. The pyramids of Giza remain an enduring symbol of human ingenuity. Name: the Great Wall of China, also known as Changcheng, Changcheng. Location: northern China, stretching across several provinces, including Hebei, Shanxi, and Gansu, with famous sections near Beijing. Ancient Chinese military architecture built for defense, a series of walls and fortifications, protecting the Silk Road trade routes and defending against northern invasions. The wall was built and rebuilt over many centuries, starting in the 7th century BC. The most well-known sections were built during the Ming Dynasty, from 1368 to 1644. Originally built as a defense system to protect China from northern invasions. The Great Wall is an iconic symbol of China, representing military strength and architectural ingenuity. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Materials: primarily built using earth, wood, bricks and stone. Ming Dynasty sections are more durable. Design details: The wall is a collection of walls, trenches, and natural barriers like rivers and hills. It includes watchtowers, beacon towers, and barracks. Scale. The Great Wall stretches over 21,000 kilometers or 13,000 miles, making it the longest wall. Its height varies, averaging 6 to 7 meters and reaching up to 14 meters in some places. The Great Wall symbolizes China's historical resilience and defense. It is also an enduring symbol of human perseverance. The wall is a functional military structure and an impressive work of art, renowned for its scale and cultural significance as a national symbol of China. The most visited sections, like Badaling and Mutianyu, are near Beijing and are restored for tourists. They offer cable cars, hiking paths, and visitor facilities. Notable features include watchtowers, panoramic views of the countryside, and ancient battlements. Jinshanling is popular for hiking, and Jiangku is famous for its rugged terrain. Several sections have been restored for tourism. However, large portions remain in disrepair. There is debate about the effectiveness of certain sections. Some restoration efforts have been criticized for altering the wall's original character. The Great Wall is the longest man-made structure in the world. It has been featured in many movies, books, and cultural references. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall is not visible from space. The legend of Lady Mengjiang highlights the human cost of its construction. Hundreds of thousands of workers, many of whom were prisoners, perished while building it. The Great Wall is a testament to China's history and engineering skill. It continues to draw millions of visitors every year. The name of this iconic monument is the Taj Mahal, located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. The Taj Mahal's design is Mughal architecture blending Islamic, Persian, and Indian styles. It emphasizes symmetry, balance, and geometry. Now, let's explore its history. The Taj Mahal was constructed between 1632 and 1648, during the reign of Emperor Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan commissioned it for his wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died during childbirth. The Taj Mahal stands as a symbol of eternal love. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The architectural features of the Taj Mahal are truly remarkable. It is primarily constructed of white marble from the Makrana quarries in Rajasthan, inlaid with precious and semi-precious stones such as jade, crystal, turquoise, lapis lazuli, and amethyst. The Taj Mahal is a symmetrical structure with a large central dome flanked by 4 smaller domes and 4 tall minarets. The central chamber houses the cenotaphs of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan, although their actual tombs lie in a lower crypt. The intricate inlay work, known as pietra dura, showcases floral designs made from precious stones. The Charbagh Gardens, a Persian-style garden divided into 4 parts, enhance the monument's beauty. The Taj Mahal symbolizes eternal love and the grandeur of Mughal art. Its perfect symmetry and use of light create a sense of balance and peace. The detailed carvings, inlay work, and calligraphy are some of the finest examples of Mughal artistry. The Taj Mahal is known for its stunning white marble facade and harmonious proportions. The Taj Mahal attracts millions of visitors annually and is one of the most famous tourist attractions in the world. It is open to the public, with special timings for sunrise and full moon visits, which are particularly popular due to the monument's magical appearance in different light settings. Visitors can explore the main mausoleum, the mosque, the guest house, and the extensive gardens. The reflecting pool in front of the Taj Mahal provides iconic views of the building's reflection. The Taj Mahal attracts millions of visitors annually and is one of the most famous tourist attractions in the world. It is open to the public, with special timings for sunrise and full moon visits. The monument's magical appearance in different light settings is particularly popular. Visitors can explore the main mausoleum, the mosque, and the extensive gardens. The reflecting pool provides iconic views of the building's reflection. Over the centuries, the Taj Mahal has undergone several restoration efforts, particularly to clean the marble affected by pollution. Major efforts have been made to preserve the structure, including anti-pollution measures to protect the marble. The Taj Mahal is one of the most recognized structures in the world and is frequently cited as one of the most beautiful buildings ever created. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Taj Mahal has been featured in countless books, movies, and songs as a symbol of undying love. It continues to inspire artists and romantics around the world. Legend has it that Shah Jahan planned to build a black marble mausoleum on the opposite side of the river for himself, but this plan was never realized. The Taj Mahal stands as a breathtaking monument to love and is considered one of the finest examples of Mughal architecture, drawing millions of visitors each year to marvel at its timeless beauty and historical significance.
The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, is situated in Rome, Italy. It's located near the Roman Forum, right in the heart of the city. The design style of the Colosseum is quintessentially ancient Roman architecture, specifically a grand amphitheatre. It's a prime example of Roman engineering, influenced by classical Greek and Roman architecture, particularly in the use of arches, vaults, and columns. Construction of the Colosseum began under Emperor Vespasian around AD 70. It was completed under his son, Emperor Titus, in AD 80. Later, modifications were made during Domitian's reign. Built for public spectacles like gladiatorial contests and animal hunts, it symbolized the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum remains an iconic symbol of ancient Rome. The Colosseum is made from travertine limestone, tuff, and brick-faced concrete. It has an elliptical shape, measuring 189 meters long, 156 meters wide, and 50 meters high. It could hold up to 80,000 spectators. The Colosseum features a complex system of vaults and arches. The outer walls are adorned with columns in the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian orders. It remains the largest standing amphitheatre in the world today. The Colosseum represents the might, architectural prowess, and ingenuity of the Roman Empire. It also symbolizes the cultural importance of public spectacles in ancient Rome. While the Colosseum itself is a masterpiece of Roman engineering, it was also richly decorated with statues, murals, and elaborate architectural details. Inside, there would have been elaborate stage sets and decorations for various events. The Colosseum is renowned for its gladiatorial games and brutal spectacles, which drew massive crowds in ancient Rome. The Colosseum is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. It is open to the public, with several sections available for exploration, including the arena floor, underground chambers, and seating tiers. It also serves as a museum with exhibits on ancient Roman life. Visitors can explore the ancient seating areas, underground chambers where gladiators and animals were kept, and the upper levels that offer panoramic views of Rome. Night tours are also available, adding a unique atmosphere to the experience. Over the centuries, the Colosseum has undergone numerous restoration projects to preserve its structure. After earthquakes and neglect during the medieval period, major restoration efforts began in the 19th century and continue to this day. The Colosseum has seen debates over its restoration, as some sections are overly modernized to accommodate tourism. Additionally, its violent past as a site of human and animal death in the gladiatorial games has sparked ethical discussions. The Colosseum is the largest amphitheatre ever built and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It has appeared in numerous films, books, and other media, often depicted in movies about ancient Rome, such as Gladiator. The Colosseum remains a powerful symbol of ancient Rome's grandeur, drawing millions of visitors each year. The Alhambra, known in Arabic as LHMR, meaning the Red One, is located in Granada, Spain. It majestically sits atop a hill, overlooking the city and Sierra Nevada mountains. The Alhambra showcases Islamic Moorish architecture, reflecting the Nasrid dynasty's artistry and craftsmanship, with later Renaissance influences after the Reconquista. The Alhambra was mainly built between 1238 and 1358 during the Nasrid dynasty, though earlier fortifications date back to the 9th century. Various Nasrid rulers, including Muhammad I, contributed to its construction. Later additions, like the Palace of Charles V, were designed by Spanish Renaissance architects. Originally a fortress, the Alhambra became a royal palace and the court of the Nasrid emirs. The Alhambra is an iconic symbol of Spain's Islamic heritage and Moorish rule. The Alhambra was constructed with red brick, stucco, wood, marble, and tile. Intricate details were made from carved plaster and wood, known for stunning tilework, arabesques, calligraphy, and geometric patterns. The architecture blends indoor and outdoor spaces with courtyards, pools, gardens, and fountains. The courtyard of the Lions and Hall of the Ambassadors showcase exquisite Islamic artistry. The complex spans 142,000 square meters, with multiple palaces, courtyards, and gardens. The Alhambra symbolizes the Islamic Golden Age in Spain, representing sophisticated art, architecture, and scientific advancements. The motifs symbolize paradise, reflecting harmony between humans, nature, and the divine. The palace is a work of art, adorned with Quranic inscriptions, floral designs, and intricate stucco patterns. The general life gardens reflect the Islamic vision of paradise. Famous for its intricate architecture, tilework, and tranquil courtyards, it offers stunning views of Granada. The Alhambra is one of Spain's most visited monuments, with strict visitor limits to protect the site. Tickets should be booked in advance, especially for the Nasrid palaces. Daytime and evening tours are available. Visitors can explore the Nasrid palaces, Alcazaba Fortress, Genera Life Gardens, and the Palace of Charles V. The Court of the Lions and the Hall of the Two Sisters are renowned for their beauty. The Alhambra has undergone several restoration efforts after falling into neglect following the Christian conquest. Restoration began in the 19th century and continues to preserve its delicate art and architecture. Controversies have arisen over modern management and preservation amid mass tourism. The Alhambra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Islamic architecture in Europe. It has inspired artists, writers, and musicians. Washington Irving wrote Tales of the Alhambra here. Designed as a paradise on earth, its water features symbolize purity and life. Reflective pools and fountains cool the hot climate. The Alhambra blends cultural, artistic, and architectural significance, drawing millions of visitors each year.
Stop dreaming and start exploring. Join us on a virtual tour of iconic landmarks. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you're inspired, hit the thumbs up and comment your dream destination. Subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time.